Hello, my brothers and sisters.
Hello, my people. Now, good evening.
Good evening. We don't come again.
Don't come again. Come again. We don't come again. Me and my brother, we want to come give now. We're going to get this for today.
My name is Sonny.
My name is Zigidon. I've been to subscribe to our channel, Songzy TV.
Thank you.
When do well.
The matter we will break on this evening, we just want to talk cha so that we leave.
Yes, so.
You guys some people, husband and wife, went just the fight for street this afternoon.
My brother, it tire me.
Why? What you come make wife a disgrace husband like that?
Me, I not really know because until you went inside the house before you go know what happened. Because a lot of people have been there. If you never did there, you not go know what is up. You understand?
But they come, they ask the woman, say, please leave this man alone. You don't say police involved.
Why police not? Now abroad, there's not be Nigeria where police go evil. Police go they watch where people they fight. Abroad they go come. Police must always show.
Anything just tire me. The way when they just the man just they frustrated and everything frustrated in English. The man they frustrated.
The man was frustrated.
But you say they not they put tension.
No, because it don't say now. What it up past the past now be third. If na present you say they frustrate.
Okay. Anyhow, na English.
Now,
but the man me come they ask and try to know wetin be the source of the quarrel. Now me one boy that Nosa went the back of their house. He come they dismiss say the way when the woman take the maltreat this man for house, no ban. Now me come they ask, you sure say not be this man do wrong thing when make this woman the maltreat her?
I don't really know because you see the way the woman they give her slap. You don't see that slap.
She say,
they give her slap
They pay me.
Me I tell you. Later, you know, say the woman call they talk later. The woman say, he give her 1,000 euro. Me say, give your family the man shop her.
That man might be like person when they chop person money.
You don't see man, nothing wearing.
No, the man, the way he say long. When I say, now make her as they stop and you know who greet talk. You know why I explain to us. No say I call the answer say, bro, what did they happen? When make this woman just they insult you like
this? Because they say I beg money, I beg beggar, I beg money, I beg beggar.
1,000 for this period.
1,000 euro.
And that woman they carry children, they go school, and the man was there as they sleep.
They sleep, you know they do anything.
But now which message now you want to give the couple when they come up now?
My brother, if you want marry, you know the kind of way you want marry. My way not they hard working, way not they hustle. Even though say na 10 naira they bring come house now hustler. Not be say you just go jump enter marry or the name of the guy they try. You know say you don't get hand work. You know say wait till they call hand work. You know really get good hand work. Then your office say maybe he get where for the touch money just the flow now. Wait till he get if the money finish for the source where they say the money.
You know, say sometimes the women, you can't ever see woman when they come. Now hear me come here and say that they come out, oh baby.
No, now Isha you speak and go, Bini go say, oh baby.
Oh baby, we not be a
lazy man. That is a lazy man.
Now ask me be so the advice when I want give the coming couple, have a girlfriend or boyfriend.
Anyone where you want call them couples, any couple.
No, me know what I want. I just try to understand because now 2 in 1. You know they see where Akma or Duma they do this thing. Then they ask question now. You all want to become another thing. What they worry you?
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, talk to me,
you know say now couple will give them. You know say one feel they toast one never agree. Then you say na couple.
No, but the one way they toast never ready now. Now who ready now with the couple now? If you the toast woman, I be say you see this, you see the.
But now the message when I get for my to tell anybody at all, I bet if you want to go into a relationship, know who you they marry or who you they friend, so that make disgrace not they come outside. And the men make they respect their girlfriend, their wives, and wife. Remember where you are coming from. That you are we as an African man and women, we dey respect ourselves. You must not carry your husband give police make you hold for you. Police not be the savior or the bank of husband. You cannot carry your husband go back and for police station. Then you relax for house. ABC come and you say, no worry, na family matter. Let's settle it. And the girlfriend went there inside. I first talking for the last program say relationship in primary school and secondary school.
I'm telling you.
If you don't learn well, you know will pass to graduate enter university. Now that school you go.
Then from primary school, you graduate to university. From university, you enter polytechnic or you enter university.
You like as you mentioned polytechnic, blessing that polytechnic you go.
You know,
we went to university. We don't want to talk.
You do. I even say from university, I say from primary school, you enter university, from university to polytechnic to university. You don't even feel correct. Like, they always correct if it is wrong.
No, lie. Because the school where you go, me won't know. And they look your man, they do anyhow. I won't know where you want mention.
Okay, me I say mention that. I say from primary school, where I support talk from secondary school. I don't talk secondary. I can't say university.
Because the way you tell you now, you not do exam now for common entrance, not enter school now.
Why not do exam?
You not do exam.
Why not do exam?
You know when a miracle you enter there.
You say I be like some government for Nigeria where they say they don't even get WAEC.
No, lie. Why they laugh like that?
Some of the people will visit their dead.
No lie.
Papa at the top. They don't get from high school.
No lie. But when they try to call it a miracle you enter that school.
Now God, who tell you I do exam where I be like.
Now miracle you enter that school.
I be like those people. Now God.
May I tell you how you enter school. You just close your eye, enter one class like that. That's so you meet yourself for polytechnic.
Now miracle.
Just come pass.
Your pass, earlier.
But then, brothers and sisters, I do well because for this program, I tell you, say different things they come. We just try to water ground, make the level.
I'm telling you, level. Everywhere go.
We are coming. Anyhow it be. But you try and make sure say you help us. Don't look for us like that because we dey here. We not dey go anywhere. Every day we dey surprise now. Only one thing that they try to let you understand, you will get some period when we say we get one kind of work when they call it abadante. We dey go work one week.
We don't come. We will not even see us for like 1 week.
1 week.
More not worry.
More Saturday share the one I don't see, so that make not too much for where on a day.
Yeah.
But that thing when I dey hear say somebody just disappear for toilet. Enter toilet for another country.
No, I feel they tell you say me may go travel because me won't travel so I dey travel.
I don't know say that thing they happen. Oh. Why I go they buy for ticket and they buy ticket?
No, anytime when me want go Holland now or maybe I want just go, I want go Holland or I want go Belgium. I'll just enter your toilet. I just say go toilet. You just say for Holland.
What thing I want to do now? One of our brother went to Nigeria now. That Lugard. If you just reach airport for Nigeria, may you just enter toilet. All the load, may you enter now. You will just enter toilet and once you will say for my store here.
You know what I'm saying? May you just call us. As we just call, we just tell us say, Looky, enter toilet. You just see her. And
that look himself. And 2 days teaching, you know one spend money before.
And without the load. The
only way I just do, I may just let the miracle still carry the load for one. You know, me just hit the head now. He just fed.
No, they said their luggage, they follow them. Luggage when they want to travel, they follow them.
Because that Lugard, when they tell me, say, we'll carry 10 back. 32. But how those 10 back will they follow and reach there with the miracle?
No, it go heavy, the miracle for the wave.
Oh, but now our country with the single kind miracle, when somebody will just inside toilet. Meet yourself for another country toilet.
They did that now. It happen in our country. That make us mad day, and not only our country.
But why are we like that?
Boko Haram day.
One boy say he can go airport for Lagos. Say that the smell for airport, even for sure go for the toilet. He won't go disappear. Everybody want to enter abroad.
Me.
Believe.
Me, I tell you now, I want to go Germany, I want to go Holland, I want to travel.
Why you want to go Germany? For my own life, what did they talk to? I want to go California.
No, you know, so who will be there, you know?
No, now they won't go because I they speak G because I don't speak before. Now they won't go. When they won't go there for Germany, yeah? I feel use like enter here now. That one I feel do exercise enter now. Now California won't go because if I want to enter, I find the toilet. No, waiting at the try. If like say now room toilet, now history pass Milan home. Where they say,
follow.
He say if you just stay like remain 7 people, God if you just tell me say enter the toilet.
Now, you know, so with the plan and say holiday, maybe next year holiday if we go UK or if we go US, which you do, you enter California. You know, before we enter California, you enter toilet.
The toilet won't enter now room. When near where they check in, if you just and then you just enter. Just say, if you don't come, I believe you are the California.
Now you sabi me, I will finish California before you.
Because I believe past you.
This miracle will work. Me don't enter toilet. I go, you enter toilet.
My dear brother and sister, come here, I tell you now something. Faith without work is dead. Faith without work is dead. But you must not believe anything when not work for say they hope of it. Say you go airport, you want go queue, they wait for you just from there disappear. You not be spirit. Read your Bible well. get what is there and work with it.
Yes, so.
You dey hear me so?
Yes, sir.
More not let all these pastors come deceive us.
God not the lie.
God not the lie.
Our God is not a magician.
Wetin that devil wey can contact Jesus Christ say make it from there jump down. Wetin Jesus Christ tell am? He say get behind me.
Get behind me, you Satan.
Abeg, make una not let the men of God just disappoint us.
Make
una reading our Bible well. Make una forget all these kind of fake prophets. Abeg, una do well. And this where we just draw our small curtain for this evening. Mona dey look at small. Abeg, tomorrow this time we still come. We'll give una wetin happen for that autonomous matter. Mona subscribe, share, and make sure everything. Make sure say you dey comment well. And no problem with day. I love you people.
God bless you.
I love you very.
Until we see you again.
Bye. Peace.